made a mistake in my video. That shell car was not a giveaway. Definitely was not a giveaway. I'm so sorry, but please go follow Cash Chaser. His link down below. Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another car unboxing video. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans. I am currently in West Virginia. Right now, I'm doing this unboxing in West Virginia. I brought a box with me from my house. It's from Whatnot diecast video. This item is from Cash Chaser. It was a giveaway, and I won it. And I will put his link in the description down below, so y'all could go follow him and join his live streams whenever he pops on. And just to let you know, I'll put my link down below so you can sign up and get yourself $10 towards anything you want, except for illegal narcotics. Got electronics, you got clothing, you got sneakers, die-cast cars, you got whatever. Got a lot of stuff under there. So let me be right back, and I'm gonna come back and open this box for you. Okay, Jelly Beans, the box is still closed. So let me grab one of my keys and open this box. Oh yeah, just to let you know, I have something else too. I also went to Hobby Lobby. I just got back from the Hobby Lobby. I just got back to my hotel. I don't want to lug the stuff into the hotel. Try to be good with this box because I wouldn't mind reusing it. Sending it out to some people. There we go, nice. Rip. Shout out to my boy Will. I'm visiting him in West Virginia right now. Please keep him in your thoughts and prayers. His cancer has came back, and it's stage 4, and it's really kicking his butt. And he also just had a stroke Tuesday night. Today's Saturday the 10th. He just had a stroke on Tuesday. I came down here to visit him. He's in his room right now. He's sleeping. I think he's sleeping because that's what his mom told me when I came down to go out and get breakfast. So anyway, let me open this up. I also went to Hobby Lobby too. See what they had. They had some nice cars. Cash Chaser, and they were not kidding. That's packing. Alright, everybody. Here goes Cash Chaser's car. Well, not his car no more. It's mine. It's all mine. It's all in my collection. Woo-wee! 1970 Z28 shell car. That's pretty sexy. So, like I asked, please keep my buddy in your thoughts and prayers. He's a good guy. Yeah, very good guy. His name's Will. Alright, here we go. Put this back in the box and let me see what I got from Hobby Lobby. Okay, here is my very first Garbage Pail Kids green light. This is pretty cool. I like this. I have a few Mal Jeeps though. I like this a lot. This is pretty cool. Mal Munch Mitch. It's pretty cool. I like that. Let's see what else we got here. Here is another green light. Here is a 1979 Nissan Patrol, 70th anniversary. I like this. It's pretty sweet looking. I chose this over the 50th anniversary Jeep. Sorry. This just stuck out more than the Jeep. I would normally go for the Jeep, but this really stuck out to me. Taking the price tag off. Sorry, give me a... Sorry. Let me put that. And here we go. You all know I love my M2s. Here is a 1964 Dodge A100 camper van. I love the details on these things. Oh my gosh, this price tag is going to be insane to get off. I like this. I have my boy, a Viper. He would love this because of that big old cat on the back. That's pretty sweet. I like that. But thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. And please remember to keep my good friend in your thoughts and prayers. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Peace.